the air conditioner filter becomes clogged, the efficiency of the air conditioning system will suffer. Air conditioner filters cannot be cleaned or reused. They need to be replaced. The air conditioner filter is normally installed near the blower unit, behind the passenger side glove box. The method to access the air conditioner filter depends on the model. Refer to the shop manual for the correct way to access the air conditioner filter. For the model shown here, the glove box needs to be removed first. Then the surrounding component parts are removed. Remove the lid and replace the filter. When replacing the filter, it's important to install it in the correct direction. Look for the airflow direction mark on the filter and on the filter housing. Install the new filter in accordance with these direction marks. Reinstall all the components that were removed to access the air conditioner filter, and this completes this task.